Hi, my name is Dr. Marc Retrouvey, and I'm here to introduce our new special appliances designed by Lux Creole. As an example, this one is the anterior bite plate, which helps you open the bite, disclude the patient, and facilitate the treatment, because then the teeth are free to move. So that's an old technique that we reintroduced, and it's working really well. So basically an anterior bite plate, you can absolutely customize it the way you want. We have the posterior bite plate, which is right here. It's a bit more complicated to see. This one is also on one tooth. You can put one tooth, two teeth, three teeth, whatever you want. And this is used in case of open bites to help intrusion of the molars and also to get the best possible mandibular rotation. So this is called the posterior bite plate. Very easy to do. You just extrude the plastic in Lux design, and it takes 1 minute and it's done. This one is a little bit more complicated. It is an intrusion appliance right here for the molar. When it's over extruded, you use a special trim line. You make the trim line different. You can see it goes higher. We actually print, I should say, the 3D buttons on both buccal and lingual, and we run an elastic. We cut the appliance and then puts a perfect force of intrusion, and then you can intrude the molars without tads. And the big advantage too, because this is very precise, it's very hard to remove. As you can see, I'm really working hard to get it out, so the retention is very high. You don't need attachments. One product that people were asking for a long time is the twin block. That's the upper part, that's the lower part. And the twin block is printed using, in this case, the Titan software, but we can print it with many software. And it's a twin block, except it fits again very well. You can actually design the trim line the way you want. And the big advantage of this is, obviously, it's not as solid as the regular plastic, but you can print a few for the patients. And the big advantage, you can change the vertical, so it can be higher the way you want, and you can change the advancement the way you want, so you have a perfect twin block for the patient, and they're very comfortable to wear. So this is very popular. And the last one we can talk about is the Pontic. Now we can put Pontics and take the teeth on this side, flip them, put them on the STL file, which is the virtual patient, and then we can create the perfect Pontics that can be expanded or contracted if you want to move the space. So this is now the Pontics, and they can be shaped in many different ways depending on your needs. So these are our first tries. You can see this is the conventional aligners that we're using. They still are in use, obviously. So these ones are very good, but you can add all this family of aligners that allow you to get a lot less aligners and a better treatment for your patients. So I want to thank you, and I thank Lux Creole to give me the opportunity to develop these magic appliances or special designs. Thank you very much.